Hi everyone, welcome to Storytime English. Today, we will listen to and read an inspiring story about Ben Carson, a man who went from being called the dumbest kid to becoming a famous brain surgeon. This video has clear narration and subtitles to help you practice your English listening and reading skills. Follow these tips to enhance your learning and achieve faster progress in mastering English. 1. Watch the full video once without pausing. Just listen and read the subtitles to understand the general story. 2. Watch the video again, pausing after each sentence. Repeat out loud what you hear and read. Practice your pronunciation. 3. Write down or note new words. Look up their meaning and use the video context to understand them better. 4. Read aloud with the video. Imitate the narrator to improve fluency. 5. Check your comprehension. Try to answer simple questions about the story. Who is Ben Carson? What did he achieve? 6. Watch the video several times on different days. Constant repetition helps to consolidate vocabulary and understanding. Let's get started and learn together. How Ben Carson became a world-famous brain surgeon. A tough beginning. Ben Carson was born in Detroit, Michigan. His family was very poor. His father left when Ben was just 8 years old. His mother worked very hard, cleaning houses day and night to take care of Ben and his brother. Ben lived in a small old house. He didn't have toys or books. Life was very hard. At school, Ben was very quiet and had bad grades. Other kids laughed at him and called him dumb. One teacher even said, "You are the dumbest kid in the class." Ben believed it and felt sad and angry. But his mother told him something important. You don't have much money, but you still have your brain. The change begins. Ben's mother could not read well, but she wanted her sons to succeed. She made a strict rule. No more TV. You will read 2 books every week. At first, Ben didn't like this rule, but he went to the library and started reading books about animals, space, and science. Slowly, his grades began to improve. One day, his teacher asked a question that no one knew the answer to, except Ben. His classmates were surprised. Ben felt proud and believed, "I'm not dumb. I'm smart." Dreams grow. Ben loved science and dreamed of becoming a doctor. He told his mother, "I want to be a doctor." People laughed at him. Ben, a doctor? Never. But his mother encouraged him. "You can do it. You have a brain. Use it." Ben had a bad temper as a child. One day, he tried to hurt a friend with a knife, but the knife broke before it could hurt anyone. Ben was shocked and scared. He realized he needed to change his life. Hard work pays off. Ben worked very hard. He woke up early, studied late at night, and focused on his schoolwork. He became better at math and reading. Ben graduated at the top of his high school class. He was accepted to Yale University. After that, he went to medical school and became a brain surgeon. He was no longer the dumb kid. He was becoming a doctor who saved lives. Miracle surgery. At age 33, Ben Carson did something amazing. He led a 22-hour surgery to separate twin babies who were born joined at the head. This surgery had never been done before. It was very difficult and dangerous. But Ben and his team were brave and skilled. The surgery was a success. People called Ben the man with miracle hands. Helping others and inspiring Ben became famous. He wrote books and gave speeches to young people. He told them, "You can do anything if you believe in yourself and work hard." Ben never forgot where he came from. He helped poor children get an education and gave them hope. The big lesson. Ben Carson's story teaches us, it doesn't matter if you are poor or if others laugh at you. What matters is this: believe in yourself, use your mind, and never give up. Because even a child from the streets can become a doctor who saves lives. If you want to practice more, there's a free activity worksheet about this story in the description. The answer key will be published in the next video.